Let's journey together towards a healthier future. 10 Best Food for Your Nerves Repair. Hey there, foodies and wellness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel Vital Signs. Today we have a special treat for you. We're diving deep into the world of nerve healing and exploring the 10 best foods that can supercharge your nervous system. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Number 1. Sweet potato. Our first contender in the nerve healing lineup is the humble sweet potato. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, sweet potatoes are a powerhouse for nerve health. The secret lies in their rich content of beta-carotene, which converts into vitamin A, a crucial element for maintaining healthy nerves. Number 2. Ginger. Next up, we have the spicy sensation, ginger. This root not only adds a kick to your dishes but also boasts anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The active compound, gingerol, not only reduces oxidative stress but also has neuroprotective effects, contributing to nerve healing and overall well-being. Number 3. Citrus fruits. Now, let's talk about the zesty goodness of citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are loaded with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a key role in protecting nerves from damage. Vitamin C also supports the production of collagen, which is essential for maintaining the structure of nerve cells. Number 4. Nuts and seeds. Moving on to crunchy delights, nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds. These are not just tasty snacks but also rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and antioxidants. These nutrients work together to combat inflammation and promote nerve regeneration. Number 5. Fatty fish. Dive into the depths of nerve health with fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, these fish support the myelin sheath, the protective covering of nerve fibers. This not only enhances nerve transmission but also aids in the repair of damaged nerves. Number 6. Lean dairy products. Let's not forget about dairy. Low-fat dairy products like yogurt and cheese provide a rich source of calcium and vitamin D. These nutrients are crucial for nerve function, as they contribute to the regulation of neurotransmitters and the maintenance of nerve cell structure. Number 7. Legumes. Now, let's talk about legumes, the unsung heroes of nerve health. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are excellent sources of folate and magnesium. Folate supports nerve cell division and repair, while magnesium helps in nerve impulse transmission, promoting a healthy nervous system. Number 8. Leafy greens. Green is the color of nerve vitality. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are rich in vitamins, especially B vitamins like B6 and B9. These vitamins play a vital role in nerve function, supporting neurotransmitter synthesis and preventing nerve damage. Number 9. Zucchini. Surprise entry, zucchini. This low-calorie vegetable is a fantastic source of vitamin C and B6, along with important minerals like potassium. These nutrients contribute to nerve health by reducing oxidative stress and supporting neurotransmitter function. Number 10. Lean proteins. Last but not least, let's talk about lean proteins. Chicken, turkey, and tofu are rich in amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. Amino acids are essential for the synthesis of neurotransmitters, ensuring smooth communication between nerve cells. And there you have it, the 10 best foods for nerve healing. Incorporating these delicious and nutritious options into your diet can do wonders for your nervous system. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep nourishing those nerves.